I'm Derek Kimball, the Ham Good Barbecue, and today we're doing a double smoked ham. It'll be the easiest thing you do for the holiday. This ham has already been smoked. All I did was put a little oil on it and then rubbed it with our hickory rub. We're going to cook it on the Weber Smoky Mountain. It's running between 275 to 300 degrees. And we're cooking with Kingsford charcoal. We don't have to worry about adding any wood chunks. We're going to cook it till it hits around 145. We might go a little bit higher just for bark. We're going to pull it off, and then I'm going to glaze it with our sweet mustard Tennessee glaze, or our sweet Tennessee mustard. So we're going to glaze the ham up, and I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. It shouldn't take long, maybe an hour and a half, couple hours, and I'll show you the finished product. All right, so we're an hour and a half in, and this is what the ham's looking like. I just temped it a little bit ago. We're running about 65 to 75 degrees internal temp, so it's taking a little bit longer. Our great temp is setting right around 300. I'm going to put this on. It is a cold day here in Knoxville. It's about 25 degrees. So we're going to give this about another 30 minutes, and then 30 to 45 minutes, and we'll check it and see how it's looking. So at the 2 hour mark, I came out here, I put foil around it because I like the way the bark was looking. And then I've temped it. We're at 147. It's dropped a little bit just because I've had the lid off of this. I'm getting ready to glaze it. So I really like the way the color looked. We're about 2.5 hours into cooking this. And I'm just going to do a mustard glaze. This is our mustard barbecue sauce. I'm just doing something a little bit different. You can do pineapple glazes. You can do your favorite barbecue sauce and add preserves to it. You can add apple jelly, apple preserves. You can add peach. I'm trying to be the cameraman and do all this. So all that's good, but I like how our mustard sauce is on a lot of the meats. I'm probably going to give this about another 15 minutes. Sorry if I'm not getting a good photo of this, but I'll glaze this here and I'll come around, and my temperature's starting to drop just because it's a very cold day here in Knoxville. Okay, so Kingsford charcoal, Weber Smoky Mountain, double smoked ham. Got it glazed in 2.5 hours. I've got all my vents open. Got a nice bark. I season it with our hickory rub. It's the easiest thing. You just got to put it on, smoke it, get it to 145 or so, and glaze it at the end and enjoy. So I'll come back and do another video about 10-15 minutes after this is set. All right, so it's been 10 minutes, and this is the finished product. So I'm just going to pull it and let it rest. It took just a little bit more than 2.5 hours, especially with the glaze. But I'll probably hit it with some hickory seasoning I put in a coffee grinder. I'm just going to dust it, pull it, let it rest. But a double hickory smoked ham on the Weber using some Kingsford charcoal. Used our Tennessee mustard. Use whatever glaze you like. Get creative. Hope you like this video and have a wonderful Christmas.